Ever received an email that looked official, but something just didn't feel right? Maybe it said your account was locked, or asked you to click a strange link. These are often phishing emails, scams designed to trick you into giving your personal information. You're not alone. Every day, thousands fall victim to phishing emails designed to steal your personal data, passwords, and even your money. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. In this video, we'll show you how to spot phishing emails quickly and confidently. Let's protect your inbox and your identity. Phishing is a cybercrime where attackers impersonate trusted sources to trick you into clicking malicious links, downloading harmful files, or even giving away sensitive information. These can often look like banks, delivery services, or even workplaces, but with a few simple checks you can spot the fakes. Okay, let's break it down. Here are 5 signs of a phishing email. Suspicious sender address. Look closely. Is the domain misspelt? They can often use urgent or threatening language. Your account will be suspended in 24 hours. They will often use generic greetings. Example, dear customer, instead of your name. Legitimate companies usually personalize emails. They will often add unexpected attachments or links to the email. Hover your cursor over these links to preview the URL. If you don't trust it, don't click it. They will often have spelling and grammar errors. Spot one or more of these, don't click it, delete it. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Let's take what we've learnt so far into the next section. Let's walk through a real example. See the email address? This is misspelled. Hover over the sender's email. Notice how there's no personal greeting, just a dear customer. Now hover your cursor over the link in the email. Notice anything suspicious? Shortened links like this often hide the true destination. Always hover to check where it leads. If it's not a true domain, don't click it. Report any phishing attempt to report@phishing.gov.uk. Here are 5 quick tips to protect yourself. Spam filters keep suspicious emails out of your inbox by flagging messages that look strange, like ones with odd links, urgent language, or spoofed sender addresses. Most email platforms have built-in filters, but you can often tweak the settings to make them even more effective. Antivirus software adds another layer of protection. It scans attachments and links for malware, blocks unsafe downloads, and alerts you to a phishing site tries to trick you into entering personal info. Think of it as your digital bodyguard, quietly working in the background to keep your threats at bay. Together, these tools don't just clean up your inbox, they help you stay one step ahead of scammers. Keep your browser and email app updated to ensure you have the latest security patches and protection against known threats. You can usually find update options in your device's settings menu or within the app's help or about section. Never share passwords, personal details, or credit card information via email, even if the message looks official. Scammers often create emails that mimic trusted organizations, but any requests for sensitive data should raise immediate suspicion. Enable 2-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. You can usually find this option in your account settings under Security or Login Preferences. Report suspicious emails to your provider, especially if they ask for personal information or card details. These types of requests are strong indicators of phishing attempts and should be treated with caution. And remember, if it feels off, it probably is. Smartphones, emails, and online tools can open up a world of possibilities, but only when we feel safe and confident using them. We hope this video helped you understand how phishing emails work and gave you practical tips to protect yourself and your personal information. At OneConnect, we believe digital inclusion means more than just access. It means empowerment. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.